Okay, so we got 3 of the bearings out. This one's kind of holding the auger right now, so we'll leave that in place for the moment. And as you can see, this thing, these bearings for some reason have been putting some significant wear on the surface of the auger. That's why I'm replacing them. I mean, to me, this is the one that was loaded the most, I think. It was the rear one on this side. It seems to favor this side for some reason. But, I mean, it does have some wear on it, so maybe that's what's causing that problem. Hopefully this solves it, because I really don't want to buy another one of these augers. They're kind of expensive, and this one is only, I don't know, a year and a half old. Actually bought a brand new one. These are the new bearings. I have them soaking in oil over here. Well, they come with, you know, they come packed with grease, but I figured I'd just soak a little oil on them first, just because I can. Let's see if we can get this thing to go on here one-handed. Could be an interesting trick. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. I think we got it. Yeah, there we go. One's in. But can't put the second one in one-handed, sorry. So we'll come back for that one.